this is Elaine Shauger. Come to sga.gov. Dan Shauger is your master pro of the Down Under Nut. He has Academy School over 300 online course. That means when you purchase something, you can watch it on your phone at the driving range. We do have the PGA pros order our books and DVDs because they do not know what Down Under Nut is. We are completely different from the whole world. Let me tell you what we do different. We do not do the roll-up with the arms and hands. We hit the golf off the right side to hip. See, I told you two different things already. Here's a third one. Left knee bent, right leg straight, back and forth, up and down with the heels. We don't keep our feet flat on the ground. Read my testimonies from my senior saying, up and down with the heels. I don't torque the back and knees. I'm out of pain with Dan Shauger's Down Under Nut. I'm a senior and get more power and accuracy. Thank you. This is Elaine.